In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Workspace domain, setup domain and MX records correctly. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Google admin console. You'll need an admin account for your workspace, not a regular Gmail. Once you're in, head to Account, then Domains, and choose Manage Domains. This is where you connect your custom domain to Google. Click Add a Domain and follow the on-screen prompts. Google will give you a unique verification code. It's usually a TXT record, though sometimes it can be a CNAME. Keep this tab open. You'll copy that exact value into your domain's DNS so Google can confirm you own the domain. Now open a new tab and log into your domain registrar, the place where you bought your domain, such as Squarespace, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Find the DNS settings or DNS management section. Every provider looks a little different, but you're looking for the area where you can add DNS records. Add a new TXT record using the value provided by Google. For the host, name, or alias field, most registrars want it left blank or set to @ to represent the root domain. Paste the verification value into the record's value or content field. You can leave TTL at its default unless your provider requires a specific number. Save the record, then return to the Google admin console and click to complete verification. DNS changes can take time to propagate. Google says up to 72 hours, but it often completes much faster. If verification doesn't pass right away, give it a bit and try again. With your domain verified, it's time to route email to Google. Go back to your registrar's DNS settings, locate any existing MX records that point to previous email services and remove them so they don't conflict. Then add the MX records for Google Workspace. Google provides the exact server names and priority numbers. Enter each one as a separate MX record. Make sure the type is MX. Set the priority values exactly as shown by Google. Use @ for the name or host. Unless your provider specifies otherwise, paste the server address into the value or destination field and keep TTL at the default if you're unsure. Save all the MX records. Finally, return to the Google admin console. Under Account Domains, Manage Domains, select Activate Gmail for your domain. Once DNS has propagated, incoming mail will start flowing to Google Workspace. If messages aren't arriving yet, wait a bit longer and then test by sending an email to your new address. You're all set.